Hi guys, it's Ben here from Cut Motorcycles. Here today to give you a quick video rundown of this epic machine. This is the 2012 Ducati Diavel Carbon. This is a one-owner bike and has covered a mere 4,400 miles. It comes with a full service history with 10 stamps in the service book. The bike's just had its annual service, it's ready to go. All consumables are in great shape, it wants for nothing. The bike's lived an extremely pampered life, the service intervals being 10 miles, 600 miles, 2,400 miles, 3,400 miles, 3,800, 4,200, 4,300, 4,400, 4,400 again, and the latest being on the 4th of March this year at 4,481 miles. Being the carbon model, the bike comes with a host of gorgeous carbon body panels and milled aluminium parts. On top of this, the owner spent a small fortune on tasteful extras, including the genuine Ducati Performance casing covers, frame bungs and reservoir caps, ASV levers, plus the all-important Termignoni exhaust system, which not only looks great but sounds fantastic. Hopefully that's given you a good flavour of what the bike's about. If you've got any questions or queries, don't hesitate to pick up the phone, give us a call, drop us an email. We can arrange finance, we take part exchange, delivery's no problem. So yeah, that's everything covered. So thanks for watching and look forward to hearing from you.